Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing yellow DRLs on the BMW M4. So if you don't know what a DRL is, it stands for daytime running light. So if we come to the front of the car, you can see it's got the white daytime running lights on it. I didn't put the yellow DRLs on for a long time. I've had them for a long time, but I didn't put them on because I've got the chrome grills on there. And I think the yellow and the chrome, it will go well together. So I'll kind of be putting it off, but I think I might buy black grills for the car and rock that for the summer. I had a BMW 440i before in the same colour, and I put the yellow DRLs on with the black grills, and honestly, it was so aggressive from the front. It turned so many heads, way more heads than this BMW M4 has turned. So yeah, I'll probably rock that for the summer and then probably go back to the whites for the winter. So what you're going to need for the installation is a T20, obviously the yellow DRLs, and I suggest a microfiber. I'll show you why in a second. So moving to the front of the car, you want to open the bonnet and you can see the heat sinks here. It's got the 3 T20 screws. You want to unscrew these. And what I suggest doing is stuffing the microfiber down this hole here, because I made the mistake in the past where I unscrewed it and it'll fall down this hole here and you'll never see it again. So yeah, you want to put a microfiber there just if you're clumsy like me. But yeah, I'll cut to when I get this off. Alright, so I've taken it off now. You want to be careful, the heatsink can be quite hot if you've been driving for a while. So wear some gloves or just be really careful. Okay, so I've pulled it out now. So as you can see, it's got these 2 clips here. So you just want to press down on the tab. Same on the other side. Press down on the tab and pull them off. Be very gentle though, they can be quite fragile. Okay, so I've put the yellow DRLs in to put it back into its place. Don't put the screws in yet, just test how the light works. So just go inside, turn the side lights on. Alright, cool. As you can see, the yellow DRLs are in. That's a sneak peek of what it's going to look like. I'm going to do the other side. It's the same process. I'll get back to you. Also, just a quick note, don't tighten these screws in too hard. Just hand tighten them and it should be good. Alright, so here we go, guys. The yellow DRLs are fitted. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll try to put up a comparison pic right now. I think it looks really aggressive. I think if I put black grills on, it'll look good, but even with the chrome grills, it doesn't even look that bad. But yeah, I'll throw up a few cinematics right now and go for a POV drive.